Hello students. Today I would like to explain the different types of transformations from the subject solid modeling and drafting for the second year mechanical students. So the topic is geometric transformation. So what is transformation? Transformation is nothing but transformation is nothing but repositioning resizing and rotation of an object. Rotation of object from one location to another location is called as transformation. There are three types of transformation, that is 2D geometric transformations are translation, scaling and rotation. So next point is nothing but types of two-dimensional geometric transformations. Geometric transformations. Geometric transformation. First type is translation. Second type is scaling. Second type of geometric transformation is scaling. And third type of transformation is rotation. So students, these are the three different types of geometric transformations. So first type is translation. What is translation? Translation is nothing but repositioning. Translation means repositioning of an object. Repositioning of an object. And here in translation we use matrix or transformation terms as Tx and Ty. That is capital T is nothing but Tx, Ty. What is Tx? Tx is translation in x-axis, and what is Ty? Ty is translation in y direction. So next, scaling. Students, what is scaling? Scaling is nothing but resizing. Resizing of an object. Resizing of an object. So in scaling, two scaling parameters are used. First parameter in scaling, two parameters are used, that is Sx and Sy. That is scaling parameter. These two parameters are called as scaling parameters. That is Sx and Sy. Third type is rotation. So when object moves along some angle, that is for along clockwise direction and along anti-clockwise direction. So rotation means what? An object moves along either clockwise direction or either anti-clockwise direction. So here rotation is object moves along either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, that is object moves at an angle of theta, that is rotation. So students, these are the three different types of geometric transformation. First is translation. What is translation? Translation is what? Repositioning of an object. That is, here we use terms tx and ty. What is tx? Tx is translation in x-axis and ty is translation in y-axis. Scaling. Second type is scaling. What is scaling? Scaling is resizing of an object. So here Sx and Sy, these are the scaling parameters are used. And third is rotation. So what is rotation? Means object moves some angle, that is either in clockwise direction or either in anti-clockwise direction. So these are the three different types of two-dimensional geometric transformations. So next important point is students, next important point is formulation. Formulation. So what is formulation? Formulation is nothing but modification of certain data results in modification in display. For example, when we enter some values of x and y, then display shows the either point or line for particular terms. So formulation means what? Modification of certain data results in modification in display. So for example, I'll just draw one graph shows points and lines. Suppose here this point is for nothing but is, just I draw one line by joining 2 points. This point is nothing but P1. P1 having coordinates x1, y1 and P2 having coordinates P2, x2, y2. So here x, y, this P1, this distance is nothing but x1 and this vertical distance is nothing but y1. And for this point P2, this horizontal distance between this axis from my axis, the distance is nothing but x2, and the vertical distance between the x-axis and point P2 is y2. The distance is y2. So this graph shows, just draw a point P1, point P2. Here point P1, when just write this P1 in terms of matrix, it shows P1 at point P1, P1, P2, these are the 2 points. P1, when just write down this P1 x1 y1 in terms of matrix. How? P1 equal to x1 y1. Write down this P1 point in terms of matrix form, and P2 for point P2 matrix form x2 y2, x2 and y2. So what is formulation? Formulation means what? When I change the values of x1 and y1, or either x2 and y2. This shape or size or location of this object gets changed due to certain distance. That is called as formulation. Means when change the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, this line or either points moves away from each other. That is called as formulation. So for example, for point P1, just write down this P1 in terms of matrix form. X1, Y1, P2 is nothing but X2 and Y2. And for this line, form line by joining 2 points, form a line L. How to write matrix equations for line L? For line L, for line L, when or just write down this line L, that is line in terms of matrix form. That is line L is equal to P1, P2, because this line is formed between, or line is formed due to what? Due to joining these 2 points, point P1 and point P2. So for line L is equal to P1, P2 in terms of matrix form. So P1, what are the coordinates of P1? X1, Y1. And what are the coordinates of P2? X2 and Y2. Means in matrix form, represent this line as x1, y1 and x2, y2. That is the formulation. When these are the x1, y1, x2, y2 means what? Coordinates of point P1 and P2. When I change the terms or values of x1, y1 or x2, y2, the location of this or the modification of this data by changing the value means modification. Okay, modification of this data results in the modification in display. That is called as formulation, and this is the example of formulation. So this formulation topic is very important as a geometric transformation point of view. So these are the two important terms is used for geometric transformations. That is formulation, and there are three different types of two-dimensional geometric transformation. And students, our next important point is translation. So I'll just explain what is translation. First type of two-dimensional geometric transformation is translation. So what is translation? Translation is nothing but when every entity of a geometric model remains parallel to its initial position is called as translation, or every point on the graph moves by equal distance in given direction is called as translation. Or in another way, moving, simple definition, moving of an object or element from one location to another location is the best example of translation. So what is translation? Translation is nothing but every entity of an object element of a geometrical model remains parallel to its initial position is called as translation. So for example, just draw x axis, y axis, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Just take one example by taking some distance. Mention your distance 1 2 3 4 5 6 along x axis, and similarly along y axis to take the distance 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here, for example, I just this line. Suppose this line is formed by joining 2 points. That is this point and the second point. That is one at the point 1 and at the point at 3. So this line, translation means what? Translation is, the definition of translation is every entity of geometric model remains parallel to the original position. For example, I just draw this line as a geometrical model. So in this case, when I'll just draw parallel line. So this from here, parallel line from 3 to 4, from 3 to 4, this line. So this line, again, this line is formed due to joining of 2 points. That is here point, for example, x1 y1 x1 dash y1 dash. So in this case, translation, here this distance tx, this tx is equal to 2. This distance, that is 1 and 2, tx, that is translation axis, that is tx is equal to 2, that is axis, distance on x axis, translation x axis, and distance, vertical distance ty, is equal to, also is equal to 2, means distance along y axis, that is translation. Here the distance between initial and final point is same, that is the definition of translation. When the initial and final point position is same or distance is same, that is called as, or that is the example of translation. Here this line is parallel, exactly parallel. This line is exactly parallel to the old one. This line, suppose old line, or this is new line. By transforming from old to new, the distance remains constant. Distance remains constant. That is along x direction and along y direction. That is translation. Dx is equal to 2 and dy is equal to 2. These two directions are always same or constant. That is called as translation. So at every point moves by equal distance in a given direction, means this line moves equal distance in a given direction is called as translation. Or moving of an object or element from one location to another location is nothing but translation. So these are the example of translation, definition of translation, and second and third type is scaling and rotation. So scaling and rotation, we'll take this point on the next lecture, on tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.